Good morning, all of you. Is it inaudible? Yeah. Yeah, please. So, what exactly our agenda for today? So, today we are going to be starts with what? Docker and Kubernetes. Which model, guys, please? Docker and Kubernetes. So, first let us understand. So, what is the course overview? So, EC2 model, network model, S3, IAM, VPC model, and RDS model, please. In DevOps, we are going to be learning Ansible, Docker and Kubernetes, and CI/CD. In CI/CD, Git Maven, Jenkins, SonarQube, and monitoring. So these are all models which we are going to be discussing. But today, we're going to be starts container model, containerization model, please. Containerization. In this model, we are going to be learning two tools, Docker and Kubernetes. Docker and Kubernetes. So today, before starting, directly we can able to start containerization model? No. So first, so which are all the dependencies? To start this model, we are going to be discussing this containerization model more than 4 weeks of time. But before starting containerization model, how to create AWS account, how to create a AWS server, and logged in. Yeah, we have already experienced. And how to use AWS server. First, we should understand, guys, please. And then only we can able to start container model, containerization model, please. Okay. So before that, so many students know about this. So many students, some students doesn't know about this. I think Abhishek, Amit, yeah. So, but anyway, so I will share one document. Abhishek, please go through this document and try to create AWS account, please. Please, I uploaded. Check it once. Please let it be crash check once. I uploaded. Check it once by using this document. By using this document. AWS console. Create a new account. Please click on create new account. Please fill your all the details. Email address, password, confirm password, account name. Please fill your full name, phone number, country, address, city, state, and please your credit card details. Or debit card details, but I'm strongly recommend a debit card details. Once if it is provided a debit card details, and once if it is verify your card by providing OTP, by providing your phone number, verify your phone number. By choosing a basic plan, your account will be inactivated and then you can able to log in. So how exactly we can able to log in, guys, please? So please let it be. Go to the console, AWS console, click on sign in. Click on sign into the console. Yeah, so let it be show you one more time. Please let it be signed out and sign in, please. Click on sign in once. So once again, I need a mobile. Please wait 1 second. My mobile. Please wait 1 second. So let it be getting into the server, which is displaying in mobile. So it is MFA multi-factor authenticator. So in your case, please be skip it. My case is already linked with my mobile. Without mobile, I can't able to log in. But in your case, please be simply skip it. Once if it is logged in by choosing EC2, we can able to create a server. EC2 is nothing but a server. By using EC2, we can able to create a server. Click on launch instance. So I'm gonna be go for web server. Ubuntu. Please go for Ubuntu 24. Ubuntu is an operating system. Like T2 micro, it has 1 core CPU, 1 GB RAM. Click on create a new PEM file. The PEM file is just like a password. Please be create a PEM file. My key. So what are the date for today? Please give 16 October 25. With this name, we can able to download and create and download keep. Click on create. Click on create PEM file. So once if it is successfully create the PEM file, Ubuntu PEM file, and please go scroll down. Please be use a default network, a default subnet, SSH and HTTP. SSH means what? Secure shell. HTTP means what? Hypertext transfer protocol. 8 GB of hard disk, and click on launch instance. Click on launch instance. and view all instances. View all instances. View all instances. To view all instances. Is that instance is successfully created or not? Tell me. Instance set is equal to running, please. So my web server is successfully created, but the server is located in where exactly? In our cloud, means what? In somewhere else remote place, like in US. One of the data center name called 2. One of the region name called Ohio region. In that region, sorry, we have a 2B data center. In that data center, we have successfully created a virtual machine. So this virtual machine is running on US. This virtual machine is running on US, not in your laptop. But how exactly we can able to getting into this instance? Please be install Git for Windows. So double click on it. Next. And double click on it, automatically Git will be installed in a laptop. Once if it is installed, how exactly we can able to getting into this instance? So please be select the particular instance, click on connect, copy this SSH connection, where exactly your PEM file you downloaded, where exactly your PEM file is downloaded. Sudo -i apt get update. Apt get update, and we can make this server as what? Web server. How exactly we can able to make it as a web server? App get install Apache. We can make it as anything like Apache 2, Docker, Ansible, Kubernetes, anything else, please. We can make this server as anything. But today we are making as a web server right now. Once if it is install Apache to web server, then we can able to access. So copy this public IP and we can access over internet as a website. From anywhere in the world, we can access this web server over internet. Yeah, let it be copy paste this public IP in the chat box. All of you, Abhishek, you people. So try to access this web server over internet. Whether you are accessing this or not, tell me. Whether you are accessing or not, tell me. Clear? And once if it is successful, use it and let it be terminated. If you don't want to use this server, let it be terminated. But which server you want to use it? Let it be stop it. Clear. Understood? So I hope you people are understands very clearly how we can create an account, how to getting into the AWS account, how to use the server. We have experience. But today our agenda is we are gonna be start with what? Docker. Tell me what is the Docker, anybody? What is an exactly Docker? Please. What is an exactly Docker? What is an exactly Docker? What is an exactly Docker? Docker is a company. Docker is a company, but Docker company providing a container technology. That's what we calling as what? Docker container. Docker container is. So what is an exactly Docker container? Docker container is an isolated area which you can place our websites very easily. Which you can place, which you can place our websites very easy with low cost with high quality. Sir, what is what is an exactly Docker container? Docker container is an isolated area. Docker container isolated area means separate area. Isolate means what? Separated area. But what is the major purpose of a Docker container? What is the major purpose of our Docker container? Purpose of Docker container. For deploying. Deploy means what? Placing. Deploy means what? Placing. Our applications like Java, .NET, Python, applications, very easy. Very easy. And what is an advantage of Docker container? What is advantage of Docker container, please? The Docker container is the Docker container is for very easily with high quality with low cost. We can able to place our applications very easily with low cost with high quality. Got it very clearly? Please let it be repeat again. What is a Docker container? Docker container is an isolated area which you can place our websites, our applications very easily with low cost with high quality. Clear, understood very clearly. But let me explain this. Let me explain this real-time container. Let me explain this real-time container, guys, please. So, for example, let us say with an example, I want to transport any kind of food or anything I please. If you want to transport, we can able to do this kind. Very easy to transport, am I right? By using these containers, we can transport from one country another country very easily. We can able to transport our products. The same way by using our Docker containers, we can able to very easily deploy our Java applications, our .NET applications, guys. Please. Clear? Understood very clearly? Docker container is an isolated. Let us understand the same example. What I have discussed, let us deep discussion about the same example. Today we are discussing layman point of view. We're not discussing any technicality. So just for layman point of view, what is a Docker container? Let us understand. That's it for today. Tomorrow we're gonna be start with the technicality. For example, let's say, let's say, I want to transport some few products like fish, prawns, crabs from one country to another country. How we can able to transport fishes? I want to transport crabs and prawns. Prawns, guys, please. Fish, crabs, and prawns without mix, without mix, without container, without mix, without containers. How exactly we can able to transport these products from one country to another country? One country than a country, please. That means we need to use separate ships or not, tell me. Ship 1, ship 2, ship 3, ship 4. Yes or no? On top of this, how in form of like triangle shape, we transporting fishes, we transporting crabs, we transporting prawns, prawns, crabs, fishes. Am I right? But in this form, if you are delivering this way in this kind of thing, can able to get quality? No. The quality will be loose and we are gonna be so investment three times. We investment is three times. The cost is increase, the quality is decrease. But if we are using container technology, if we are using container technology, how many ships are required? One ship is enough. One ship is more than enough. Like this. One ship carry multiple containers. On a same ship, we can carry multiple containers. Container 1, container 2, container 3. So in first container, we are transporting fish, prawns. In second container, crabs. In third container, fishes. Prawns, crabs, whatever. So what is an advantage? How many times we invested? One time only. The investment is only one time. But and moreover, the quality is also increased. The cost is reduced. The qualities will be increased. This kind of future we are expecting, am I right? So for example, say in your on standing on the ship, it is plus 32 centigrade temperature. Plus 32 centigrade temperature. But if we are in the container one, yeah, we can maintain according to the prawns, what specification is required, what weather temperature required, we can maintain inside a container. It is minus 22, I can maintain. If it is crabs, maybe I don't exactly the numbers, but I'm giving a random numbers here. Minus, maybe fish is minus 15. Got it very clearly. Okay, so on a same place, can we able to get a different kinds of environments or not? The cost is reduced, the quality will be increased based on the product, based on the specifications. Can we able to maintain or not? Yes or no? The same way, the technology also. What we have discussed, the same thing. Let us repeat it. Let us repeat it in a technical point of view. Means so our technology point of view. Maybe we have a three products like like one is Nginx product. Second, Jenkins application. Third, our own Java application, Maha Java application. Clear. Nginx web server, Jenkins server, Maha Java application. I want to deploy, I want to carry these applications. What I need to do, please, as per our condition. So, without containers, without containers, without mixing. If you want to deploy, if you want to maintain these three applications, what we need to do, please, we need to create a three separate servers. So separate three AWS servers. Server 1, server 2. But in server 1, Nginx, Maha login, we deploy. But if you do this, how many times we invested? 3 times. The cost is increased or not? Tell me. The cost is increased or not? Tell me. But if you are using container technology with the containers, one server is enough, am I right? Not required these many servers. One AWS server is enough. On top of this AWS server, we can create multiple containers. Container 1, container 2, container 3. We can create multiple containers. So on first container, we can place Nginx. In second container, Jenkins. In third container, Java application. Clear, all of you? Understand this? Yeah, please. It is a regular class, Shalini Naidu. It is a today's first regular class. Please be. So demo sessions, you can able to get it from our admin. They will guide you. Please watch my demo sessions, and today is the first regular class. Got it? Very clear. Understood. In this way, how many times we invested? Only one time. The cost is only one time, but cost is reduced and the quality will be increased. The cost is reduced, the quality will be increased. The cost is reduced, the quality will be increased. Clear? Is it a perfect, all of you? Is it understand? Is it understand, please? So what we have understand, so we need to implement practical. Yes, please, what we have discussed for today, it will be implemented tomorrow class. It is a theoretical class, tomorrow the practical class. We are going to be an experience practically what we have discussed. Tomorrow will be implemented. Tomorrow we will see the practical implementation. That's it, guys, please, for today. So we'll be continue by tomorrow. Tomorrow. So whatever we have discussed for today, I will be shared to your registered email address. Any questions, guys, please? Any questions for today's session? What we have discussed, any questions? Yeah. Thanks, guys. Please, will be continuing. Thank you.